Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Yamaha Mt 15 version 2.0. Mt 15 version 2.0 Performance. Traction Control System. The Mt 15 version 2.0 comes with traction control system. This is a dedicated electronic system that has the remarkable ability of reducing the chances of a wheel spin, slippage due to loss of traction. 155 cubic centimeters LC4V FI engine. Powering the Mt 15 version 2.0 is the trusted and amazing 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled 4-valve engine that gives you ample amount of power and torque on tap. Upside-down front forks. The structure of the upside-down front forks allows front wheel ample room for free movement, which makes it easier for the bike to navigate and change directions at higher speeds, making it more agile, true to the character of Mt 15. Aluminium swing arm. Equipped with aluminium swing arm, Mt 15 version 2.0 zooms through any terrain with utmost ease. It provides sportier and stable handling due to excellent rigidity balance. Variable valve actuation. Variable valve actuation system provides top-end power without sacrificing torquey character in the low to mid RPM range. There are two intake valve cams, one for low to mid-range RPM and another for high RPM. They switch between each other at the 7,400 RPM mark to ensure good power and torque is present throughout the rev range. Assist and slipper clutch. An assist and slipper clutch, ASC, is adopted to reduce the weight of the clutch pull and provide low-stress shifting during deceleration. ASC helps to reduce fatigue for the rider. This also prevents excessive engine braking, thus reducing its effects on chassis behavior. ASC makes for smooth, enjoyable downshifts. Mt 15 version 2.0 Comfort. Dual-channel ABS with 282 mm, front, /220 mm, rear, disc brake. Front and rear disc with Bosch anti-lock braking system, ABS, helps in achieving greater control over the bike during braking by restricting the wheel lockups, thereby maintaining tractive contact with the road surface to avoid skidding in slippery conditions. This ensures a confident, inspiring ride and let the rider enjoy the ride to the fullest. 140 mm super wide radial rear tire. Mt 15 version 2.0 tackles high speeds with ease. The 140 mm radial rear tire has been adapted with flexible sidewalls for better grip while cornering and has superior shock-absorbing capacity to ensure a more comfortable ride. Mt 15 version 2.0 features. Bifunctional Class D LED headlight with LED flashers. Take on the darkest streets with confidence and enjoy enhanced night vision with bifunctional LED headlight. High and low beam has been integrated into one single compact unit, which makes it technically advanced and a first in its category. Mt 15's uniqueness comprises of the stylish, compact headlight to realize the Mt design. Multifunction LCD instrument cluster. While others on the road admire the looks and styling of your Mt 15, you can admire the looks and take advantage of all the information that it has to offer to help you ride better. Delta box frame. Mt 15 version 2.0 adopts a delta box frame with superb rigidity balance. With a delta box frame, the top and bottom of the head pipe and the pivot points form a triangle, hence the delta box gives it excellent rigidity balance. Mt 15 version 2.0 design. Unilevel seat with grab bar. Mt 15's perfect seat width offers upright riding position and easy leg reach. The easy-to-hold grab bar offers a good grip to the pillion rider. Raised LED tail light with LED flashers. The Mt 15 version 2.0 leaves its own trail with the raised LED tail light that demands attention with its super sleek and edgy design. Yconnect app. The Yamaha Yconnect app displays phone notifications on your instrument cluster screen. Call alert. Alerts you of any incoming or missed calls. SMS and email. Get notified every time you receive a message or email on your phone. App connectivity status. Informs you of the bike's connectivity with the YConnect app on your phone. Phone battery level status. Displays the smartphone's battery level. Fuel consumption tracker. This feature helps you track your daily and monthly fuel consumption. Maintenance recommendations. This app consolidates and analyzes the bike data and sends you recommendations. For example, it keeps tabs on battery status and indicates either with a good or check notification. Last parking location. The last parking feature of the app gives you information about where you last parked your bike. Asterisk. If the machine has been moved since it was parked, it cannot be tracked via this function. Malfunction notification. Should the machine suffer a breakdown or malfunction, the app indicates so on the smartphone. It can also be verified on the phone as part of the bike's records. Revs dashboard. The smartphone screen can also function as the Revs dashboard that displays data that is not available on the bike's instrument cluster, such as engine RPM, degree of throttle opening, rate of acceleration, eco-friendly riding indicator and real-time fuel consumption. Ranking. This app connects with other Yamaha riders app and maintains a ranking of the riders in terms of distance traveled and how eco-friendly their riding has been. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.